You know that I count all them racks. You know that that's facts. You will get jacked, get hit with that Mac. Knock off your hat. You was a rat. Take all your stacks. Young nigga came from the bottom. Trapped out that Louis and Prada.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing this cute little summer hairstyle. Yeah, so just keep watching. I kind of wanted to show off my current shrunken state of hair right now, just because I think it looks really cute. Like, it's so cute. Okay, so I bought a whole bunch of like hair jewelries. So I got some butterflies, like flowers. I got these colorful clips, which I'm really excited about. So I think I'm gonna go just wet my hair in the sink because I really want it to be wet. So I'm just gonna do this ponytail off camera and then I'll come back. Okay, I have to be quiet to concentrate on that. Like, really, I figured it out. You want to find the longest piece of hair on one side, this side. So I'm taking this, I'm going around, and take a long piece from the other side. And then that pushes the hair up. That makes sure it's like a tall bun, you know? And then now once you have the height, you can fix we have to do our edges now, because edges make everything. Yep, we're doing this solo.
I just got 10 million bucks for shit that I ain't even do yet. You spent your money, but I ain't say I was your boo yet. You got your feelings hurt, I ain't really mean to do that. I'm just a bad bitch, I'm sorry I put you through that. I'm from New York, but we don't never say good morning. Ripping the block and he don't come on till the morning. I always prayed to have a building with a doorman. Now I'm so busy, I gotta turn on these endorsements. Now
Subscribe. Oh, also, don't forget. Don't forget.
Chanel mink slides and shades so they don't know it's me. Drip too hard, got his too hard, they gon' fuck around and drown off this way. Pretty little toes, stunting on these hoes. Buy another bag soon as I get paid.